Hello everyone, welcome to Monkey News. We have huge news today. Recently, actually 2 days ago, I released my first YouTube related UGC, the Retro Monkey Pal. Link to it will be in the description. Make sure you pick one up. If not, it's all good. Let's get into the video. So in case you guys are unaware of the recent drama with the horror game kit, I'll fill you in. Roblox deleted the entire kit from the platform. The reason being, there was a syringe model in one of the garbages. Stupid. Yeah, I know. But anyway, I have re-uploaded the kit to the platform, this time with no syringes. So Roblox, you don't have to come after me. And I've updated every single previous video regarding the horror games kit description. That link has been changed to the new one. We're in studio and everything is the same as before. You can go ahead and go to Toolbox, My Models, and insert the updated realistic horror game kit into your studio. As you can see, all the folders are the same. You have replicated storage, server script service, starter character scripts, starter UI, and workspace. You just want to insert all of these into their designated areas. The only difference, and I mean only difference with the kit, is that I removed that piece of trash, like the pile of trash right there, because that had the syringe in it, and that's what caused this kit to get taken down. But now everything is back up. I hope this hasn't affected you guys too much. I know it was very annoying that it got taken down, and I'm sorry for that. Thankfully, we have got it back up and you guys can resume making your games. That's pretty much it for today's video. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe on your way out. We are so close to 10,000 subscribers. If you guys have any questions or concerns regarding the kit, make sure you join my Discord server linked in the description. We have great staff that tries to help you out with any bugs or errors that you guys may have. Chase your dreams or I will chase you down, and I will see you guys in the next one.